It's early, isn't it? Yeah. It's too early for a bully. You gotta keep your toes on your bone, hey buddy? Just in case. We're just gonna lay there, are we? Okay. Come over here. Come over here. Come on, off the carpet. Don't act like I'm abusing you, okay? Don't act like I'm abusing you. I just got you off the carpet. Okay. Good boy. Here we go. Good baby. Come on, more. Oh, that went under your tongue. That's a problem, isn't it? I know you won't eat it off the floor. You don't have to. Come here. There we go. Let me blow on it. Okay, it's not hot. Hey, young man.